Hey guys, it's Aiden at Leveler, and today we're going to be doing another one of our Discord server reviews, this time on one of the biggest Discord servers on the platform, the Deep Rock Galactic server. So let's just jump straight in. Okay, so here we are in Discord. I've gone down to Discover, I've clicked on servers, and I've typed in Deep Rock Galactic, and here we see Deep Rock Galactic, one of the bigger servers on Discord, 645,000 members.
Rock and stone!
We're fighting for rock and stone!
So let's jump in and just have a quick look at how are they activating this community and keeping them all engaged. So first thing I'm noticing almost immediately as I'm dumped into this welcome channel is there are lots of separate messages. Would be really nice for all this information to just be contained in one message. I'm also seeing that there is a lot of information in here. Not sure it all needs to be so over-explained. I think by giving so much information, you're actually detracting from what people are going to learn from the server, from this channel. One thing I do like, however, is they've gone and created these little custom images. So despite the lack of formatting to the actual text, they have added these images. I do think this is a valuable little addition. But of course, that does mean they're creating like separate messages so that they can format them one by one by one. But I do like that. It adds a little bit of character and personality to the server. So next role I think I'm seeing here is get a role and welcome to post. It seems like an empty channel. So that is a little bit disappointing because you're going to go there naturally next thinking, oh, I'm going to get some roles, and the channel is empty. So empty channels, of course, they should be archived. It's just creating confusion for users that want to go and find stuff. So I was just mentioning about the roles. So I've just had to do a second recording here as I was just looking around and I was looking more at this channel thinking, what is this mean? Get a role in welcome to post. And I just understood it's like get a role in welcome, like in the channel. I think splitting this up would be way better user experience, especially given there's so much information in here. And I've just noticed now the roles, most people don't read everything word for word, myself included. Millennials, Gen Z, Gen Alphas, we have much shorter attention spans, and I don't think it's our fault. I think there's a lot of media, competing for our attention, and we need to make things quick and easy. I've got other stuff to look at, so I've missed this roles place here. And you can choose the platforms. So they have got it set up, but just make it easier to find. Community and server announcements in here. So this is fine. Very obvious what we're looking at. Weird that they have community and server announcements and then they have announcements. So what is the difference between a server announcement and an announcement? It does seem like they are hosting some challenges and some events that will keep people engaged and keep people activated, keep them coming back to the server. Nice also that they are sort of cross-promoting their other games like Deep Rock Galactic Survivor. I know they have a Discord for that too, so perhaps they could have included that Discord there. Just one little thing that I would be doing if I had multiple Discord servers under the name. Looks like they did some stuff for Halloween, spooky scary mission control. I like this, a little bit of staying on top of the trends, staying on top of what's happening, real life events, and customizing the server and little things. Just gives it a bit of touch. It shows that they care about it and they care about the community, keep things interesting. But yeah, they are engaging their users. There's clearly a lot of information. They're very thorough, which is a great sign that the team is doing really good work on those things. But just a few little optimizations from the get-go. And they are using some forum channels. So, I don't see these often enough. So this is really good, especially for sort of reporting, feedback, QA. I really do love to see forum channels being used for those. Suggestions. This is another place where forum channel would be great because you'd be able to have discussions about specific suggestions. And they've got another channel here, suggestion discussion. Now imagine you could just have one forum channel for suggestions. You can turn it into a gallery. You can see all the suggestions one by one, and then you can comment on them as it goes. If we just jump into the Leveler community here to show what I'm talking about, we're looking to suggestions. You've got this, and all the comments are contained within each suggestion. So yeah, small optimization. It's a big server, so I'm not going to go into even more detail. I think just having glanced over it, we've already got a lot of information here, and we've already got some optimizations that they could be making. Well, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. If you have noticed anything yourself about that server that you'd like to add, let us know in the comments. Always like to see how else we can improve Discord servers. And of course, if you would like us to jump into your Discord server and have a look, also leave us a comment and we'll spin up a video. But for now, that will be all. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Ta-ra!